So let's now go and make some different pages. So we're going to go to the Create page. Here's my Create page. Looks just like the other one because I haven't changed anything. And I'm going to change the word, oh, I'm on credits. Make sure you're on the right page. I'm going to change this one to make it easy for myself. I'm going to write in credits. And this is Create. My bad. Create. History. I'm going to put in history. This way I'll make sure that I don't get lost. History. And credits. I will put in credits. Spelling has always been my specialty. So now for credits, I'm just going to get rid of all of this because we don't need it. All right, because this is going to be my credit page. History, I'm going to go to history, and we're going to get rid of all of this. Create, we're going to go, let's go to create. And you can see I'm doing this so that I don't get confused, because it's really easy to get confused about the different pages you're on. So File, Save All. Now if I went currently to my, let's just minimize some stuff. All right, minimize a few things. And I went here to Home. I'm just going in here. Okay, there it is. Create, History, Credits. And it should be from any pages you should be able to get there. Okay, all right. Okay, cancel. All right. So back at Wikipedia, we're going to grab some history. There's advancement, development. I'm going to grab a bunch of history. There we go. I'm going to grab this. I'm not really worried. In this one, we're just learning how to do this. So I'm going to grab this. I'm going to go here to File, New Document. There it is. I'm going to select all of that. I'm going to erase it again. Notice I do this every time. Otherwise, all sorts of fresh hell will happen. Okay. Copy it. And I'm going to take it over to Dreamweaver, and I'm going to go to my history page, and I'm going to add to it. All right, there's my history. I'm going to take the word history out here. Now, if you want spaces between lines, for instance, if I hit a full space, can you see how big that is? That's because it's a full paragraph return. If you just want a short space, hold the Shift key down when you hit return, and that will give you some nice spaces without them being quite so hideous. Now you'll see design and development. That should be larger, so we're going to highlight design and development, and we're going to change that to heading over here in the properties, heading 2. Ooh, so wrong. Edit. What you're seeing is that you need to have a full return, bam. Then when I do it, heading 2. No, shouldn't have happened. Okay, why are you doing it? Edit, undo. Okay, it needs a full return on both ends. So it needs a full return here and a full return there, and then we can put it to heading 2. Yeah. All right, see what happened? So I just kept going back to fix it. So I'm going to hit Shift Enter, Shift Enter, Shift Enter. Oh, Shift Enter. And then performance, I'm going to put a, not a Shift Enter here. I'm going to put a full Enter and a full Enter after performance. Highlight and give that to paragraph 2. All right. And same thing down here, Shift. I'm going to hit a full Enter, and then add this. There are in HTML a whole bunch of these set up already. They're H1 through H6 headers. And you'll see that they basically have a default size that seems to work well. All right, we've got those in there. Let's bring us in some pictures. Again, can't remember what these images are, so we're going to go for image 4, just drop it in. Size it down. size it down. I'm trying to do it sort of so it's consistent in the size it should be. All right, click on it. Come on, picture. Okay, clicking off, clicking on. I'm having a problem getting to it. So you may have the same problem. There it goes. Sort of right-clicked, and for some reason that worked. So I need to have it selected. Then I'm going to go float left. Bam, there it goes. I'm going to go down here, and I'm going to add image 4. I have no idea what these images. Ooh, that's a nice one. I can leave it at that size. And I'm going to change, and see it's got the box around. I'm going to say float right. So you can see that I've basically set that up. Now I'm going to do a file, save all. All right. So we now got history, yep, and we've got about. Create is going to be a little bit more exciting.